Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Oregon Department of Revenue for corporate taxes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Oregon Department of Revenue for corporate taxes, first, visit the Oregon Department of Revenue website. Locate the business section on the homepage. Within this section, find the option labeled Corporate Taxes. Click on the link to access the corporate tax specifics. Next, look for the authentication option. Read through the authentication requirements carefully. Make sure you have your business identification number, or BIN, readily available. If you don't have a BIN, use the Request a New BIN option. Prepare your company's legal name, address, and contact information. Proceed back to the authentication section after acquiring your BIN. Click on the Login or Authenticate button. Enter your business identification number in the designated field. Provide your password or PIN as prompted. If you have forgotten your password, utilize the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password through your email. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Review any outstanding or upcoming corporate tax obligations listed. Complete the necessary forms for your corporate tax filings. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Submit your corporate tax filings electronically through the secure portal. After submission, make a note of any confirmation numbers provided. If you encounter any issues, refer to the FAQ section for assistance. Alternatively, contact the customer support of the Oregon Department of Revenue for further help. Follow all required steps diligently to ensure compliance with state tax regulations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.